Okay, today we're going to go over how to stake ground control points for UAVs and drones. And this is basically all you're doing is staking a control point. So this video will be both control points, stake and control, which doubles as ground control points. So I've gone through and I've staked coverage through the site. I've walked around, I've put points, GCPs, and my existing site control is also going to be added into my ground control point files after I fly. So now to stake a ground control point, you go to the house symbol down here on the bottom left, GPS, and in here you have a couple options. We want measure control. Measure control, and you just walk over to where you want that point. I think this is a good area, and you select measure. It's going to be ground control point 506, and my point code is GCP. I'm going to hit accept. Make sure everything looks good. I'm just going to do a measuring time of 15 seconds. Hit start. And as it's going to a finish, you can see I got that point right there, 506. Now that I got all my control, I want to be able to export that out in a CSV or a format to where I can use it. So I'm going to a couple ways, however you get files from Business Center or to your computer. If you have a way of doing that, go and do it. Here's the way you can do it in Business Center or in SCS 900. Hit the house symbol, import export, measure data. I want to export it as a CSV file. PNE, everything looks good. Accept. Successfully exported data. Now that'll be in there. I can bring it in and draw it out, bring it into the computer, put it in Pix4D or Agisoft or whatever photogrammetry drone software you have. That's how I do it for using Trimble's SCS 900 to get my ground control points. Thank you.